Okay, so the fourth concept is polymorphism. Poly means many, so multiple uh, instances of the same element, same thing. Here, in terms of Java, it is method that we are talking about. So many instances of the same method, and with that comes the concept of overloading and overriding. I will be going into details of overloading and overriding with coding. But broadly speaking, overloading or overriding deals with methods, and basically the same method, we can have a method name, say Ritu demo, and we can have different parameters associated with this same method name. We call a method to execute the statements in a method. We call a method, we invoke a call. So with the parameters, we can tell them apart in spite of being the same, having the same name. It is because of the parameters. Like something like in your contact list, you can have two people with the same name but different phone numbers and addresses. So these phone number and address values and parameters, or it may be that one of the two contact lists have properties like uh, you have got the properties like Aadhaar card number and age and address. For the other contact with the same name, you have got PAN number and uh, street number, address, landmark. It is possible. So these are the difference in the parameters that tell the two contacts apart. That is polymorphism. And this concept has been applied in Java. The utility of this is that we can dynamically invoke a method depending on the output we want, because the names may be different but the set of coding inside these methods may be different, giving completely different uh, different output, different expectations, fulfilling different expectations. So this is the utility that dynamically we can call the method based on what we want and giving the input uh, accordingly. So this concept and polymorphism also deals with inheritance in the sense that overriding implements inheritance. Overriding and overloading, they together make for polymorphism. So inheritance and polymorphism somehow are connected, because overriding is basically the same method with the same parameters but in the in two classes wherein the second class is extending the first one. So here we have got the two contacts with the same name and same parameters also. That is, say both are having Aadhaar number, age and address, but they are in different classes. Say class A has got this method and class B also has got this same method with same set of parameters. So here a parent class has got a method, the child class also has got the same method. So then when we invoke, which one will be called? So this concept has been applied in polymorphism. For, for ease of coding, ease of uh, manipulating data to get the output, for ease of accessing, being able to access files and data. So these are the core concepts of Java upon which entire Java has been built. So having said that, now we come to what are classes. For that I am actually writing and simultaneously explaining.